Hey everyone, I'm Nasaya. Today we're here with Melinda in the St. George office to ask her a couple of questions. So my first question is, do dental implants really change the shape of your face?
Dental implants themselves do not change the shape of your face, but when your tooth is extracted or you're missing a tooth, then your body automatically tells your bone that it's no longer needed and it will start to dissolve. What dental implants do is they take the place of the tooth and the root and preserve the bone, so the shape of your face will stay the same.
Do dentures also affect the shape of the face when a patient wears them or doesn't wear them?
Yes, of course. So over a period of time without any implants or any teeth, the bone will dissolve and the face will sink in. And when they try to put their denture in, it will actually look too large for their face and it'll look like horse teeth.
So when someone has that caved in look from not wearing their dentures, then what do dental implants do? Do they lift the face in regards to that?
So what we can do is place the implants correctly so that when the bridge is placed in the mouth, we're able to pull it forward and give their face more of a fuller look. We have had quite a few patients come in after being in traditional dentures for 5, 10, 15 years and lost all shape of their upper bone. And so it gives them a very caved in look. Whether they wear that traditional denture or not wear the traditional denture, they're still going to lose the bone and get the look. With the implants, we're able to bridge out the teeth and give them a fuller look.
We're giving away a free smile for every 15,000 subscribers.
So hit that subscribe button and become a Smile sponsor today.